Sanibonani, igama Ntokozo Nene. Njengamanje siku Our Harvest Farm. Okuyi abattoir as a skipper snack. La okukhona okuyi value chain khona. Sine feedlot, kube abattoir, kube processing plant. So irole yam kuyo yonke le value chain manager izinto ezenzakalayo. So I'm part of management, especially ku technical part. So ngizoqala nje ngithi briefly ngikhulume ukuthi kwi feedlot senzani. So sifita inkomo sizenze ukuthi zibe ready for slaughtering. And then once they are ready, then siwathatha sifake kwi abattoir, sorry. Then for slaughtering. And then from there sithatha inyama sifake kuma cold room. Then isikhumba sispreserve ku shed, kuna shed preserve kona isikhumba, so that nazo can get ready to be processed. So when inyama is ready to be processed, esukihlezi kuma cold rooms, then we've got a processing plant, which is having yonke machinery where we make from mince, boerewors, all kinds of cuts, amabrai, isitshulu. So there's quite a few of products depending on to which client isuke mhlambe ifuna uprocesselwa ini according to ama cuts akhona. Then we package that on that same processing plant, which is our butchery. Package in different cages, in different requirements of our clients. Then we skin processing. So that is skin esuke siphume kwi abattoir siye kwi shed. Nakhona sinama products which are different. So we process it from carpet, which is they call it rugs. Si process like senza ama cushions, senza traditional attire nge skin sayo inkomo leso kade slaughterishiwe in our abattoir. Kuningi belts as well. Ngingakubala kube kuningi, but I think if we go to the whole list, it can take us the whole day. So we'll go around, see, check from feedlot, see we abattoir, see we shed where we preserve skin, see kuma cold rooms, see na kuyona processing plant yenyama, see na we processing food again skin. Singa kwi feedlot ke manje. So ukudla kwenkomo sigayela ngale, and then transport kuze ngala, sikufake ke nawo ama feeding troughs. And then inkomo njoba zinibona nje ila isifitela khona bese sizokudla la kuma feeding troughs. So that is about feedlot. So yona ke processing plant yethu le INKUNDLA. This is where we make wonke ama products. Amambatha, ikhwama, cushions, furnish, ama couch, cholo, imvunulo le traditional attire, kube ama table runners, nayo lapha. So imshini yakhona le esithunga kuyona yonke into lanani. Whether kufanele kuthungwa amandaphatha, kuthungwa ocarpet, kuthungwa ama cushion, sithunga ngale machine. Bese kuba ama carpets lawa, ama rugs lawa ndlalwa phansi lawa. Mangoni couch, o sofa bethu sibenzayo lapha. So mayisuka le kwi feedlot ezantsi ziza na kwi handling facility ezongena iza abattoir. Singangena abattoir siyibuka. So from handling facility zingena la boxini. This is where we stand it, siyayidubula sidubulele boxini. Then iphumele la ngaphandle. So we just open, we keep it ngaphandle. Iwela la. Then ila iqala khona ke siya dehydrate, khishwa isikhumba, bayilengisa bayise ngala. isikhipha ama-insights. So i-hoist le iyayi-lift iyise la ilenge ngala, then bese beyayislotharisha. So kukhishwa ama-inside, kukhishwe amakota afakwe kuma-cold rooms la isesoya khona manje. This is our first cold room. Lena siyibiza nge-freezer. Ihlala nje zonke lezi ezinye inyama esuke sezikhathiwe siyiplace kanje la. So these are to be freezed. La inyama esingama halves and quarters ifike ihengwe la from the abattoir before it even gets to i-bush. Lo emshini lapha ekuqaleni o kwenze force. So ngingawukhomba. Lokhu sikubiza i-sausage filler. Sausage filler ufaka iminsi yakho osuke usuyigrinde from there kuleya mshini uyifake la, then bese wenza i-force. So this is our meat grinder. Ila isigaya khona-ke inyama esuke kade iphuma ingama-pieces enkomeni, faka la i-grinde ibe ready for i-force neminsi. So njengoba sengishilo ukuthi uma sislotharishile ngale abattoir, ikhumba-ke zonke ziphuma zize ngala kule shed la sizoyi-preserve khona, siyifaka i-salting zibe ready for processing ukuthi zihambe ziye kwi-tannery for whatever products kade siwakhombile lapha, ama-cushion na yonke into nani. But isikhumba sakhona siqala la waiting to go to i-tannery. Regarding information where to find us, CSA Fryhead, so it's called Skipper Snack Abattoir. So our harvest farm igama, and then our contact details 071 446 9579. So that main number where you can actually reach, and then that is where the whole administration is processed, and then Song is on that same number because she is the one who administers everything, and then we distribute imsebenzi accordingly, because kunomuntu who does or stands for traditional attire, so kube nomuntu who stands for inguni furniture, kube nomuntu who stands for abattoir, kube nomuntu who stands for a processing plant. Siyabonga.